tickets.
Sydney Snake, that's just so typical.
We could just slide under the fence.
Chugga chugga, if you have a ticket, go straight to the big top. Chuff, chuff.
Roll up, get your tickets at the gates.
Oh, get on, good looking. Be Gilly Cane Toad's guest.
Bow, bow. Bow, bow.
If you've got something to say, but you're not sure what you hear, come learn our speech sounds today. Take time to tune your ears.
Time.
Phonic All-Stars.
We'll teach you how to read.
Phonic All-Stars.
We are the sounds you need.
Phonic All-Stars.
Because literacy is so easy.
We're more than ABC, don't you know, darlings?
Phonic All-Stars.
Spell and read. Let's go.
Phonic All-Stars.
Carnival, all sounds in town.
Let's go. Start up the show. Grab your ears, put your mouth on straight. Your brains in gear, articulate. With the sounds around, the words just flow. Trust your ears, your mouth will know. Learning is easy with the sounds you know. You can read, write, and spell without learning roadshow. Carnival of Sounds is now in town with the Phonic All-Stars.
Come on, get down.
Phonic All-Stars.
Watch the consonant parade.
Phonic All-Stars.
Take a learning upgrade.
Phonic All-Stars.
With a speech sound crusade.
Phonic All-Stars.
Learnings, what we do.
Phonic All-Stars.
Out with the old and in with the new.
Phonic All-Stars. New kids on the block. Let's go. Come on, let's rock. Phonic All-Stars.
It's reading, not arithmetic.
Phonic All-Stars.
Darling, take a seat, quick.
Phonic All-Stars.
Dude, where do I sit?
Phonic All-Stars.
Buy your ticket here now.
Phonic All-Stars.
Come in, we'll show you how.
Phonic All-Stars.
Phonic All-Stars are